Hello, 大家好, it's me Elena. In the last lesson, we have learned the tone changing rules of character yi, right? So, of course, in this video, we will learn tone changing rules of character bu, right? Remember, I told you in the last lesson, there are only two characters which has tone changing rules in Chinese, right? The first one is character yi. The second one is character bu. Okay? So, compared with character yi, you may think character bu's tone changing rules is easier. Why? Because it only has two changing rules, tone changing rules. Okay? Two changing rules. So, what are they? The first one is what? Of course, is original tone, right? Its original tone is what? When you see this character, your first impression is what? It pronounced fourth tone, right? Bu, it pronounced fourth tone, right? Fourth tone, okay? So, when it will pronounce fourth tone, also easy, because you saw a lot of Chinese words and most of them, they all pronounce fourth tone, right? The first one is what? Remember, this is a tone mark, right? Don't mix it up with the character. It's not character yi, okay? It's a tone mark. So it means what? When character bu follow with a character whose tone is first tone. So bu pronounce its original tone, fourth tone. For example, 不知道, right? Not know. 不知道. See? Here, 不 follow with the character 知 is a what? It's a first tone, right? That's why it pronounced fourth tone, 不知道, instead of 不知道 or 不知道, right? It pronounced fourth tone, 不知道. Okay? The second situation is what? The second situation is when it pronounced second tone. Second tone. Okay? For example, different in Chinese is what? 不同, right? 不同. See? Tone is a second tone, right? So, 不, it keeps its original tone, fourth tone. 不同, different. 不同. Okay? The last situation is what? The last situation is when it follows with the character whose tone is, what's this? Third tone's tone mark, right? Third tone. Whose tone is third tone. So, it should keep its original tone as fourth tone. 不. For example, not want. 不想, not want. 不想. Okay.不想. See here, 想, want, or think. Here is want. 不想想. It's third tone, right? So, of course, character 不 still keeps its original tone as fourth tone. 不想. Right? Thus, or the situations for character bu if you pronounce fourth tone. So, see here, first tone, second tone, third tone. We still haven't mentioned which tone. Fourth tone, right? Of course, fourth tone. So, fourth tone should be put here, the second situation, right? Second situation is when character bu follow with a character whose tone is fourth tone. So bu should change its tone into, yes, some people will know, bu, second tone. Bu, for example, which one? 不要, right? I don't want it. Don't want, not want it. 不要, 不要, right? Have any question? Yes, the same as the character yi. You will have question here. Oh, teacher, you write wrong. Why here is fourth tone? It should be second tone, right? No, you are wrong. Okay, I'm right. Remember what I told you in the last lesson about character yi? When you write its pinyin, you all forever need to write its what? Its original. Okay, original tone. So character yi's original tone is first tone, yi, right? And here, character bu, its original tone is what? Of course, it's this one, right? Because you saw lots of the Chinese words with bu. Its tone, most of them are fourth tone, bu. So of course, this is the original tone. Okay, this is the original tone. So here, although it changed, it has tone changing rules. We have learned just now, right? When it follow with a fourth tone character, then it need to change the tone into second tone, from fourth tone into second tone. But this is only about what? Tone changing. Tone, just pronounce, right? It has relationship with its pronunciation only, not about its writing, right? So that's why here I still keep it to as fourth tone. I write it as fourth tone, but what? Remember tone changing rules, right? So when we say it, we need to what? Change its tone, right? So we will not say 不要, 不要. So difficult to say, right? Your mouth will feel out, not convenient. 不要, 不要. So of course, for easy to pronounce, we change the tone into second tone. We say 不要, 不要, like this. Understand? So that's it. That's all the tone changing rules here for character bu. See, easy. Only two situations, and most of them pronounce bu. Only one situation. It changed the tone into second tone. What's this? This one, right? When they follow with the character whose tone is fourth tone, it need to change the tone into second tone. That's it. So character bu, its tone changing rule is easy. right? Easier than the character yi, right? Because only one situation you need to change its tone. In other situation, just keep its original tone. That's it, right? So let's review again, okay? Review again. When 不 follow with a character which tone may be first tone or second tone or third tone, 不 still keep its original tone, fourth tone, right? Like here, 不知道，不知道 This one, 不同，不同 This one, 不想，不想 Okay? They all say 不 But the only one situation that 不 has changed its tone, which is when 不 follow with a character whose tone is what? Fourth tone. Right? Whose tone is fourth tone, then 不 should change fourth tone into second tone. Like 不要，不要 See? It's very easy. So, the tone changing rules of character 不 comes to the end. That's it. Okay? If you still have any questions, the same. Feel free to leave a comment. Okay? Okay. That's it for today. See you next time. 再见。